Hi guys, I'm Tess and this is It's Fine, a show where I try classic recipes for the first time. Today we're making soufflé au chocolat. Fun facts, the soufflé started in France, of course. In the late 1700s, we love an old recipe, love that, and became a staple by the 19th century. The name, I love this, okay. The name comes from the verb souffler? No, it's just pronounced soufflé like soufflé, yeah. But it's souffleur, just so you know. But you're souffléing, but it looks like it's souffleur. Soufflé, which means to blow or to puff, which is like when they puff up, which is so cute. For the recipe, we need semi-sweet baking chocolate, strong coffee, butter, all-purpose flour, milk, egg yolks, vanilla extract, salt, sugar, and powdered sugar. The first thing we have to do is get our soufflé dish ready. Cute little ramekins. I'll read to you what the recipe says, and then we're gonna try to figure out what they mean together. Butter the dish, that is, I'm confident about. Use your fingers. It's the easiest way to do it. And because it's gonna puff up, make sure that you're getting all the way to the edge. Surround the ramekin with a collar of buttered aluminum foil, double thickness, 3 inches above the rim of the dish. I think I'm gonna butter it, which seems crazy, but that's, I think, what it's telling me to do. My understanding, it's going to puff up and get taller, so it wants it to be buttered so that it doesn't stick. And then this contraption that we're making is to allow it to not fall over. It's gonna like assist it in its rise. Somehow, I think we're gonna like fold it together. I guess I'm kind of getting butter everywhere, but it's fine. I think is correct. So do that to all your ramekins. We're gonna do 4. We're going to melt our chocolate. I have a pot with a little bit of water in it. I'm gonna put in my chocolate, and then I'm just gonna let that melt in this double boiler situation until it's nice and smooth. I'm going to move this situation, it's warm, to this back burner because I'm going to need this one. We're gonna put the flour into the saucepan. We're essentially making a roux without the butter, so it's just gonna be flour and milk instead of butter and flour. And very slowly, we're gonna add our milk to the flour and whisk constantly. It's a lot of arm action, but it's gonna be okay. It says once I've done the smooth cream, I can add in the rest. It's looking interesting. That's my answer. Not sure about this. I felt really confident about it in the beginning. It smells a little burny, but I think that's my, whatever's on the stove is burning, whatever I dropped. We're moving ahead. Add the butter. Now until boiling, boil, stir for 2 minutes. We're on it. Everyone do it with me. It's getting thick and I can feel that, which I think is correct. I gotta turn that down, she's a hot stove. I made this shirt. Well, I didn't make it. I actually didn't make the shirt. I bought the shirt. I embroidered it. It's actually my husband's. I gave it to him as a gift, but I like it. I was gonna say I like it more. I don't like it more. I like it just as much as him, but I like to wear it just as much. Mixy, mixy, mix. It looks a lot better than the first time I made it already. We're gonna remove it from the heat. Turn that heat off. Let it cool for a minute. Keep stirring, because that makes it cool faster. Now we're gonna add our egg yolks, 1 at a time. Come on, buddies. 1. Ooh, look at that yellow. Oh, it matches the pot. I love that. 2, 3, 4. That one broke, but it's okay. Really loving this yellow moment. Now, back here, our chocolate is nice and melted. See that? Nice and silky. We're going to add it. Do I have to stir constantly? Adding a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we have to whisk some egg whites, and then we're basically done. Seems easy. So far, it has not been easy, but in my head, I'm like, oh, it's not that bad. We're gonna beat our egg whites now because we make essentially a meringue that the chocolate is now folded into. Put them in the mixer. 6 egg whites, a little bit of salt, and we're gonna beat these until stiff peaks form. I lied. We're beating until soft peaks form, and then we're gonna add the sugar and beat until stiff peaks are formed. I had to tell you that. Soft peak. Now I'm gonna spoon in the sugar little by little as you do with a meringue, with it going until hard peaks form. Stiff peak. And then we are going to fold our chocolate mixture into our egg white mixture. It does look good. I'm a little bit nervous right in this moment, I'll be honest, but I think that it'll figure itself out. We have folded in the chocolate mixture to our egg whites, and now I'm just going to ladle in to our ramekins. Yes, you might be seeing that there is a small lump. I'm being told to not worry about it. I'm slightly worried. It just naturally goes like that. How full are we gonna make these? As full as my heart desires, like that. The lump is just a little egg white, but I think it'll be fine. Oh, Tess, you got slightly messy. You got too confident. We are going to put them in the oven. That's the first step. There's a couple steps here. Put them in the oven. Get that done. And then set a timer for 40 to 50 minutes. So we'll check them at 40, 35-ish. Okay, the timer has gone off. I'm very nervous. They might not have risen, but we hope they have. We're going to find out together. Oh, they worked. They worked. They're cracky on top.
Yeah, I think that's fine. Are they, like, you think they're cooked?
I don't know. They're high though. They were so tall. I don't know if that's right. What one looks the best? We're going with this one. It looks so jiggly. I think it has to cool. Does it have to cool?
No, because it'll just go down, I think.
Okay. Oh, it's not as high as I thought. Shoot. Was it? A little bit of powdered sugar. Don't worry, powdered sugar can, whoopsie, fix anything. Made a mess. I don't know if this is right. Yeah, it looks creamy. It's really hot. It's okay. Maybe I just don't like souffle. It tastes like eggs. It's not that good. This is not, I would not make this again. I don't really like it. I don't think it worked and it was really hard. No to that. No, not making this one again. That's not for me. It really deflated. Okay, that was souffle. Don't do that again.